Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel. In this we are going to discuss about how to make money online. The truth is there are real ways to make money online. Millions of people are doing it each day. From freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to rising entrepreneurs, there are plenty of business ideas you can try at home using your laptop and a solid internet connection. So let's break down how to make money online, the real way. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet, wherever you are. You will get paid for your spent time and engagement on the platform. 1. Blogging. Blogging is number one on the list because it is one of the most flexible jobs you can have and the earning potential is limitless. When you get a nice amount of people reading your articles, it brings in a nice income. Keep in mind that you do not have to be an excellent writer if you want to blog. I'm definitely not, you just write as you talk. Blogging is one of my favorite forms of passive income because we make money just for people reading our articles from ads. You can make $2,000 to $10,000 per month. Blogging refers to writing, photography, and other media that's self-published online. Blogging started as an opportunity for individuals to write diary-style entries, but it has since been incorporated into websites for many businesses. 2. Selling on Amazon. If you like shopping and searching for a good deal, you should definitely consider Amazon's FBA program. You find good deals on products at brick-and-mortar stores or online and resell them on Amazon for a higher price. What makes Amazon's FBA program so great is that they ship the products to your customers and handle the customer service. Here, your income depends on how much work you are willing to put in. With the individual plan, you'll pay $0.99 every time you sell an item. The professional plan costs $39.99 per month, no matter how many items you sell. For both plans, Amazon also collects a referral fee on each sale, which is a percentage of the total transaction and varies by product category. 3. Teach or tutor. Online teaching is growing thanks to advancements in technology. It's an excellent way to make money at home. If you have teaching experience or knowledge of a specific subject, then you can also earn money online. You can make $10 to $100 per hour. It means that you can make at least $3,000 to $10,000 per month. 4. Social media manager. Are you active on social media and would like to post on behalf of other businesses? It's important to be knowledgeable about the different social media platforms. A social media manager can be a marketer, a strategist, a copywriter, a designer, and an analyst, sometimes all in one day. You will need great organizational and communication skills. You can make a lot of money as a social media manager. Your income depends on how many clients you have. You could earn between $1,000 to $10,000 a month. So, a social media managers create and maintain brand promotions, company information and marketing campaigns for their company across several different social media networks. 5. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is an independent contractor who provides administrative services to clients while operating outside of the client's office. A virtual assistant typically operates from a home office but can access the necessary planning documents, such as shared calendars, remotely. Are you task-oriented and have skills in the areas of social media management like editing, graphic design, tutoring, researching, writing, administrative duties, or data entry? Then becoming a virtual assistant may be an excellent choice for you. You can earn $25 to $100 an hour as a virtual assistant. 6. Life coach. Do you love personal development and enjoy helping people? Do you want to build a business of your own? If that's you, you should consider becoming a life coach. Your income depends on your market. If you are targeting lower income, you can charge $50 per hour. If you're targeting higher income, you could charge $300 per hour or much more. Your income also depends on your model. Are you doing one-to-one coaching or group coaching? A life coach is a type of wellness professional who helps people make progress in their lives in order to attain greater fulfillment. Life coaches aid their clients in improving their relationships, careers, and day-to-day lives. In creating these strategies, life coaches target your unique skills and gifts. 7. Create an online store with dropshipping. Dropshipping is a method where you can sell third-party products from a dropshipping company without ever seeing or shipping the item. When you make a sale, the product is shipped directly to the customer from the dropshipper. Your profit is the difference between what you charge your customers and what the dropshipping company charges you. Your income really depends on you and how much work you put into it, but you could make $10,000 a month. 8. Graphic designer. A graphic designer creates the graphics primarily for published, printed, or electronic media, such as brochures and advertising. They are also sometimes responsible for typesetting, illustration, user interfaces, and web design. If you have an eye for design and have experience in Adobe Creative Suite/Adobe Creative Cloud, including InDesign, Illustrator, or Photoshop, then there is a profitable market out there for you. Your income depends on your experience. You can charge $25 to $300 per hour. Graphic designers are visual communicators who create concepts by hand or by using specialized graphic design software. They communicate ideas to inspire, inform, or captivate consumers through both physical and virtual art forms that include images, words, or graphics. 9. Search engine or social media evaluator. A social media evaluator is, basically, a search engine evaluator that rates the performance of search results within social media networks. Search engine or social media evaluator rates social media ads and search engine results for relevancy. This job is great because it does not require getting on the phone, you make your own schedule, and it does not require any training. You can make $10 to $25 per hour. A social media evaluator is a rater who provides feedback on news feeds, advertisements and search results for social media websites like Facebook and Instagram. It is a remote, work-from-home job that is great for beginners as it requires no prior experience. 10. Sell your photos and videos. You are surrounded by gorgeous photo ops, and now that digital cameras are widely available, photography and videography can be a good way to earn an income. Stock websites make it easy for photographers and videographers to upload their work, then will market on your behalf and create passive income for you while you are off shooting the next beautiful location. Stock agencies looking for submissions include Shutterstock, PhotoShelter, Fotolia and iStock. You can earn $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Then what are you waiting for? If you are really interested to earn money by making a little effort, then you are at right place. Try these easiest ways to make a huge money every day. That's all about today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.